Hi Stitchers, Soodle here. I'm going to show you how to use Mrs. Micawber's half double crochet bumpy braid to make a handle for this little basket. You can find the pattern in my Ribbler store. Let's get started. We'll start by chaining 2. Then we're going to half double crochet in the back bump of the first chain. Chain 2. I found this next part of Mrs. Micawber's blog a little confusing. It says to work in the back loop of the previous half double crochet, but the blog image points to this loop, which I would consider the front loop. So I'm going to call it the front loop. So let's half double crochet in that front loop of the previous half double crochet, chain 2, and repeat. Half double crochet in the front loop of the previous half double crochet, chain 2, half double crochet, chain 2, half double crochet. So you can see we're starting to get a nice twisted braid effect, which is just what we want. Let's do one more. Okay. So to make the other row of this handle, in the pattern, it'll show you how to move your stitch over. I'm just going to chain 1 for now. In this half double crochet, we're just going to single crochet into the side. I'm just going to use 1 loop. If you want a stronger handle, you can go through 2 loops, but I just use 1 for my pattern. Single crochet, and in that long stitch in the middle between those 2 half double crochets, I'm just going to slip stitch. So then again, we'll single crochet in the side of a half double crochet, slip stitch in that long stitch, again single crochet through 1 loop, slip stitch in the long stitch in the middle. Okay, and now you can see we're starting to get a nice scalloped effect. I'll do 1 more. We'll single crochet in the side of the half double crochet through 1 loop, and then slip stitch in that elongated loop. All right, and that is how you use Mrs. Micawber's bumpy half double crochet braid as the foundation for the handle of my little round basket. Thanks for watching and happy stitching!